Grossman Iron and Steel is a third-generation family-owned business. We've been in business approximately 100 years, and we are a scrap processing facility.
So we purchased this building from Porta-King for our retail scale house.
We have a history of working with Porta-King in the past.
We have currently 3 or 4 buildings from Porta-King. This is our first steel structure with Porta-King, and it certainly is an upgrade from the aluminum structures that we have. It was important to us that we could customize the building to our needs, and we sat down with their engineering team to be able to do that, and the final product turned out fantastic.
Working with Porta-King was a friendly experience. Being a family-owned business themselves, we could relate, and they took us for a great tour of their facilities.
Porta-King was not the least expensive option for us. We did consider other resources for this building, but in terms of quality and our ability to work with their engineering team to design what we wanted, and their proximity to us, all those things played into us going with Porta-King for the building.
And really their quick response when you call makes a difference as well.
Some of the customizations that we included in the design of this building were in-the-wall receptacles and panels for the power and the IT functions. We had designed built-in shelving to accommodate our computers and monitors and things that we needed for the scales to operate.
It was designed to withstand the business that we are in, which is a little dirty and very busy, and the conditions of just outside and that, it was designed for that, and it seems to be working out great.